it's Yasser Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video I'm going to show you this app that I found on the App Store. I'm sure it's available on the Play Store as well. It's called Video Downloader, and it looks like it's with the black background, the yellow, the white little arrow down. Then you come to the home page like this: Facebook, Instagram, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Twitter, Tones, WhatsApp, stuff like this. That's if you want to remove that, probably more cost down. I'm going to show you how to do on Instagram with the WhatsApp stuff, that when you, and even in Facebook and stuff like this, you'll have to allow it permission so then it can actually store, they can access your pictures and stuff like this, or media you need. So what we're going to do, we're going to just quickly show you how to do it from Instagram. So it will open up Instagram, and it will ask you to select which account. So I'll just do my normal account. So I have more than one, so but depends on how many you have. So and then it will go to your feed. So then you can just pick whatever image you want. I'll just pick this one first, and then I'll pick this first one. Select the three dots. Sorry, no, wrong one. Sorry, my mistake. Should go there. Just click the select the red arrow there, and the red button. Then select the red circle with the white download arrow, and it will do the stuff what it's saying. And then you want to click yes, we want to clear that. You can rename it, do something like that, but and you can see the downloaded right now. And that's it. So we can do it. It's done. So that's how you can eat, and then go to the tabs, program, and then this. Then you can just go back to the home page again and download it from another site that you want. Simple. And that's how you can do on that one, which is one of the ways you can download from. The easiest, that is one of the easiest ways I found that you can download from Facebook, Instagram. Easy, there are ones, but that's the quickest one. That's kind of one of the good ones I found, and that's one of the ones I found that I think is very useful and helpful to me, definitely, and hopefully it's to you as well. So if you found this video helpful and useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section below, hit that subscribe bell, hit the notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I'll post new videos each week.